The farmers' protest completed 8 months today, and it was marked by women farmers conducting the Kisan Sansad and a Women Kisan Sansad at Jantar Mantar today. Remember, women have always been participants in the farmers' protest, but today was the first time that they appear to be taking it and the entire protest to the forefront. The real question is, will the real parliament listen into the voices of these women?
आज तक महिलाओं को दबाया गया है, लेकिन दबने वालों में से नहीं है। अपने काले कानून रद्द करा के जाएंगे।
After hearing her bold voice here, it is hard to imagine that 40-year-old Ramesh Antil lost her husband, 48-year-old Satish Kumar, to a heart attack just 5 months ago during the same farmers' protest. She was part of a group of 200 women farmers who came to Delhi's Jantar Mantar today as part of the Kisan Sansad, which is being held as the monsoon session of Parliament goes on. Today, the farmers' protest at Delhi's borders completed 8 months. Antil is from Sonipat, where she and her husband owned a meager 1 acre of land.
परमात्मा हमारे साथ है, चाहे मेरे पति शहीद हुए हैं, मेरे चारों बच्चे भी शहीद हो जाएं, हमें कोई परवाह नहीं है।
In order to pay their respects to Antil's husband and many others who lost their lives during the 8 months of protests, the farmers today observed 2 minutes of silence during the Kisan Sansad, where CPIM leader Subhashini Ali played the role of speaker. The Kisan Sansad also had its own agriculture minister.
और मैं कृषि मंत्री होने के नाते आप सबकी बात मानती हूँ और तीनों जो खेती के कानून है जो काले हैं उनको रद्द करने की मैं भी मांग करती हूँ आपके साथ।
67-year-old Surinder Jaipal holds a PhD in Punjabi literature and is a retired professor from Ludhiana. She comes from a family of farmers and keeps visiting the Singhu border frequently.
किसानों की बात वो अच्छी तरह से नहीं सुनते और वो सुनना नहीं चाहते। जो लोग सुनना नहीं चाहते उनके कान जो है ना वो सुनते हैं, उनमें कोई नुक्स नहीं है, वो सुन सकते हैं, पर जो सुनना नहीं चाहता उसको सचमुच कोई आवाज नहीं सुनती।
In India, while 85% of rural women are engaged in agriculture, only about 13% own land. At the ongoing agitation, 15 to 20% of protesters are women, but are still missing from leadership roles. None of the 9 core committee members of the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, the group spearheading the movement, are women. Women representatives have also not been part of the key negotiation rounds between the government and farmers. The Kisan Sansad also saw celebrity faces like actress and activist Gul Panag, who came to show their support to the farmers.
बहुत लोग हमारे मीडिया में यहाँ जो दोस्त बैठे हैं वो पूछते हैं कि सरकार मान तो गई है, अमेंडमेंट तो करने को तैयार है। मेरा सिर्फ एक सबमिशन है, वो ये कि जो कानून प्रॉपर कार्रवाई से पास ही नहीं किए गए उनके किसी भी अमेंडमेंट में हमें कोई रुचि नहीं है। अगर कानून सही तरीके से पास नहीं किए गए उन्हें रद्द करना पड़ेगा, उन्हें रद्द करना पड़ेगा, उन्हें रद्द करना पड़ेगा।
Women have always been a part of these farmers' protests, but today is the first time that they've appeared at the forefront and held their own parliament. But the government tussle continues, and the big question remains, will the real parliament listen to their demands? In New Delhi with camera person Sudesh Kumar Ram, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.